Hi, my name is Maya Bates, and I'll be presenting my research on direct differentiation of whole blood for forensic serology by thread spray mass spectrometry. I'd like to start by going over what forensic serology is. Forensic serology is the detection, identification, classification, and study of various bodily fluids, such as blood, and their relationship to a crime scene. The goal is to answer questions such as, is this stained blood? Is it human or animal blood? And whose blood is it? Current methods use a presumptive color test, such as luminol, where chemiluminescence can be observed when the luminol comes into contact with the proper oxidizing agent, which can be found in blood. However, luminol will glow when it comes into contact with substances other than blood, such as bleach, other biofluids like urine, and even horseradish, which leads to false positive results. There is a need for a more accurate test that is accessible and gives fast results. A mass spectrometer is a much more sensitive instrument, and there are even portable mass specs. But to use one to analyze a complex mixture would require a lot of sample preparation, which can be time-consuming, and they are susceptible to clogging. An ambient ionization method could be used instead, using a thread-based substrate, which is shown in Figure 1. Investigators could take a fiber from blood-stained carpet, or even a thread from a t-shirt, and with no preparation, just solvent and voltage, they can get results immediately. This method was optimized using various large proteins in their native and denatured states, as shown in Figure 2, and then on whole blood dried onto fabric in Figure 3. The loss of the heme cofactor of hemoglobin was used as a presumptive identifier of blood, and this reduces the possibility of false positive results. But we can take it even a step further, and as the blood is ionized and fragmented, we can look at the lipid profile in Figures 4 and 5. And as you can see, there is a clear distinction between the lipid profiles, which can be used as a confirmatory test of whether the blood is human or animal. Not only that, but this method is sensitive enough to be able to detect the heme cofactor on fabric more than a month after the original application, showing the stability of thread spray and proving that this method could be useful to investigators. If you have any questions or you want to reach me, I've included my email at the top. And if you want to know more about the research, I've also included the published paper in my references section. Thank you for listening.